Hello guys, so today we will move on to the applications of the probability. So for example, this one, marbles. In this one, we have 5 red marbles and 4 white marbles. I want to show you what's the probability. I want to use a tree graph or tree diagram to show you what is the probability when we pick a red or white. So let's see. Tree. So for the red, this is for the white. So for this one, if I pick one randomly, the chance for me to the total marbles, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 marbles in total, right? So if we random pick, so we will pick red, which is 5 out of 9. And we will pick the white, which is 4 out of 9. Okay, so that is the probability to pick the red or white. So what I mean for the tree probability, which is if I random pick one, okay, I totally will pick 2 marbles. I want to know what's the probability of me to pick the red. So let's see. So if I random pick, there is the first pick, which is 5 out of the first trail, which is 5 out of 9 to pick the red, right? And then continue. If I don't put it back, that means we will have 8 marbles in total, right? So, hello guys. So today we will move on to the applications of probability. So for this one, I want to know what's the probability outcome if I pick a marble from the back. Okay, so pick 1 marble. So first we know the total of marbles in the bag is 9. Okay, it's 9. And then if I just pick 1, so the probability of red will be 5 out of 9. The probability of white will be 4 out of 9. Okay? That is the answer if I pick 1 randomly, so there are 2 outcomes. Okay, let's see, next one. Next one is the compound, which is we will roll a fair die 3 times. So for die is basically 1 through 6. Right, so write the probability question in the words and determine which probability. Show your word. So the first one, which means P6 union 6 union 6. That means I want the probability which outcome is 6 all 3 times. Okay, 6. I roll a die with number 6 all 3 times. Okay, so all 3 times. So how we are going to find those probability? The first time I roll, if I got the outcome is 6, will be 1 over 6. The second time will be 1 over 6 as well. The third time is 1 over 6 because each rolling is independent. So each row will be the same probability, which is 1/6. So then we multiply them together, that will be equal 2/16/1. That will be the probability. Okay. Next one. So this is I will roll an odd number. Roll odd number all 3 times. Okay, so for the die, as we know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the odd number will be this one, and this one. 3 odd number. So each row, the probability will be 3 out of 6. The second one is 3 out of 6. The third one, 3 out of 6. And then you simplify it. That will be equal 1/8. That is the probability. Okay. Next, multiple of 3 and the multiple of 2. So multiple of 3 and the multiple of 2, which will be only 6, right? So only 6 is the multiple of 3 and multiple of 2. If they say multiple of 3 only, then you have to count 3 as well, because 1 times 3 is 3. But this is 2 multiples, so that means the chance we die 3 times, we roll 3 times, that will be 1/6 times 1/6 times 1/6. Because this is telling us I just want 3 times. They both 6, number 6. Okay, they both 6. Okay, they all 6. So that will be the answer, the same as that's equal 1/216. And in word, for this question in word will be the probability of multiple of 3 and 2. Okay, the probability of multiple 3 and 2. Okay. Next one, let's see one more. So this one is basically the Venn diagram. I'm asking based on the question, draw the Venn diagram, which we show them in the picture. So let's see. Example. A survey done at all the state colleges showing 56% of college students live on campus, 62 have a campus meal program, and 42 do both. So for the Venn diagram, basically the typical one is 2 rings and cross each other, right? So for this one, we can name the first one, the first circle, which is on campus. And the second circle, we can say it like a meal program. So for this Venn diagram question, the strategy is usually start from the middle, which is overlap part, which is both. So as we see, 42 do both, so 42 is here. As you know, the big universal here will be the total. For this question, the total will be 100%. Okay? And then, as we know, in the campus circle is a 56. So if we already have 42, what is left? So this part, a lot tricky. A lot of students just put, oh, on campus 56, so I just put 56 here. No, that's not right. You have to subtract the thing in the middle. That's why I ask you start in the middle. So which is 56 minus 42. That will be 14. 14. So then you plus those two numbers. That is the total 56. Okay, does it make sense? For the other side, it's the same. So you have to, this campus is 62. So the total is 60. You already have 42 now. So the left will be 20. Then 42 plus 20 will be 62. Okay? And if you want to double check, you add them up. So check if they add them up equal 100 or not. So that is 14 plus 42 plus 20. That's equal, the total here is 76. That means in the circle total is 76. And as I said, the universal, which is in the box or in the rectangle is 100. So that means there are another part of students which is outside somewhere here. So the number will be 100 minus 76. That is equal minus 76. That's equal 24. That means 24 students are not on campus, live on campus, nor having the campus meal program. So neither. Okay, 24 students. That will be your total Venn diagram graph. That will look like this. I will erase the part not necessary. This number shouldn't be here. This number shouldn't be here. Okay, that will be the complete graphing, like this. Okay, you need to have all the numbers here. That's why you need to double check at the end if there are any one outside the circles or not. Alright, next example for a Venn diagram. So there are those Armory, Lutu, and Sofa. Each complete their own diagram and then share them with each other. So for this one, their work is right here.